Hello guys, how to fix F123 black screen problem. So if you are getting the black screen problem on your F1 game 2023, how you can fix this trouble I will tell you in this video, because many users are facing recently this problem. So I have also getting this problem. How I fix this trouble I will tell you in this video. So hope you like and subscribe our channel. So latest Windows 11 updates, latest NVIDIA driver you need to install, and if this problem does not solve, download it and re-download it from the Steam, and it will help you to fix the problem. But I will tell you another method that are more effective than this, that will help you to fix this problem. So here I recently fixed this problem. For some reason my GPU's target temperature was mixed out and it was overheating. So I recommended checking that in your GPU software. FIFA is not really optimized that well, so it's kept just maximize out my GPU. So changing the target temperature to 70°C, and after changing this setting I saved my this setting and restart my device PC again, and then I tried to run FIFA and my problem got solved. So you can also try this method, and it will help you to fix this problem. Otherwise, try to turn off the antivirus while playing this game. So this method is also working for many users. Hope you got valuable information and keep supporting our channel Zero to Infinity, so we can upload daily knowledgeable and informative content for you guys.